Hi, I'm Wendy Nelson. Welcome to Forest Escape.
Today we're building shelves for the chainsaws and the bars and chains and anything else associated with chainsaws.
So today we are building a shelf unit that will hold all of the chainsaws and all of the tools for them. All right, so these are the two sides, and they're 24 deep and gonna be 32 wide, and go right over there. So this is a really good saw. We used it in building our house, and now building the stuff for the garage. So I'm 12 inches off the floor and then 18 inches for the next shelf. Super hot. How many girls out there have put bungee strap in their hair? I have hair ties out here, so that's gonna have to work. Little tiny bungee strap. So that's the kind of little bungee strap that I have in my hair. It works. Alright, this is the chainsaw rack. Needs the shelves, but the form is done. The secondary shelves underneath, I gotta cut the wood for those, but that's where the bars and chains will go.
The top shelf is really inaccessible, so it's a really great place to put all those giant cardboard boxes for shipping. When the electrical grid fails and there's no internet or cell phone, no texting or emails, there's no communication and no information. The stores only take cash. The ATMs are empty. Do you have a plan? Do you know how to live? Only faith and courage will help you survive the promised storm. Surviving the Promised Storm is the first book in the Watch Lone Sparrow book series. Follow Gabriel, Rainey, Emma, Cullen, Terrence, and Brandy into a stirring tale of redemption, friendship, and spiritual awakening. From building bridges in the forest to navigating fractured friendships and looming global unrest, this novel delivers suspense, heart, and a message that resonates with the times we live in. What if the storm you've been preparing for is already here? Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a great day.